Welcome to today's tutorial on how to change a group name on WhatsApp. Group chats are a fantastic way to stay connected, whether it's for family, friends, or even a team project. Sometimes the original group name just doesn't cut it anymore. Maybe you want something more creative, or perhaps the group's purpose has evolved. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to rename your WhatsApp group. First, open WhatsApp on your device and navigate to the group chat you want to rename. Once you're in the group chat, the next step is to tap on the group name located at the top of the chat screen. This action will take you to the group info page, where you can manage various settings and details related to the group. Now, here's where the process slightly varies depending on your device. If you're using an Android device, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu button. Tap on it, and you'll see a drop-down with several options. From this menu, select Change Group Name. Alternatively, on some Android versions and on iOS, you might see an edit icon, which looks like a pencil, next to the current group name. Tapping this icon will directly open the text field for editing the name. Once you've accessed the Change Group Name option or the Edit field, you can enter the new name for your WhatsApp group. Get creative and choose something that reflects the group's current vibe or purpose. Keep in mind that WhatsApp has a character limit for group names, so keep it concise. After typing in the new name, tap OK or the Save button, checkmark, to confirm the change. And that's it. The group name will be instantly updated for all participants. A few important things to remember. Only group admins have the permission to change the group name. Also, when you update the group name, all members will receive a notification about the change. So go ahead, give your WhatsApp group a fresh identity. Whether it's for a special occasion, a rebranding effort, or simply to add a bit of fun, changing the group name is a quick and easy way to keep your group chats engaging.